We are pleased to show you the 2022 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, power windows, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.